Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. So I created this peachy coppery cut crease eye look using the new Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped palette. This palette is perfect for springtime. The formula and the mattes are the same as the original Born This Way Natural Nudes palette. And the peach tones and copper tones in this section right here really inspired me to create this cut crease dramatic eye look. So if you want to see how I got this, then just keep watching. And please subscribe, like, and comment. And we're just going to jump right into the tutorial. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Butter Pecan, which is that really pretty orange shade. It's like an orange pink peach transition shade. The shade reminds me a lot of Make a Peak Peach Smoothie. Anybody remembers that shade? It was a really popular one that Jaclyn Hill used to use all the time. And my camera was not filming, but I blended it out on my right eye and it was absolutely beautiful, blended out so easy, so buttery. I love Born This Way, Too Faced eyeshadow palette formulas. The first palette was a hit. The mattes just blended out so nice, and these mattes are just as good. Brush is going to be a Morphe M433, looks like that. And I'm going to go in with Golden Hour. It's a really pretty pink mauve color. And I'm going to blend that into the lower crease, keeping it right at the eye fold. Once again, blending out like a dream. Like I cannot get over how much I love Born This Way mattes. They're so easy to blend. I just love them. Love them. And this palette has like a perfumey scent. I don't even know what it smells like. It's honestly not even that good of a smell. It's very odd. I don't know, it's very odd. Okay, so I'm just blending this out, keeping it nice and low, just taking my time. I go in with Chai Times on an Ariel A25, a smaller blending brush. And I'm gonna take Chai Times. This is like a burgundy brown shade. It reminds me a lot of MAC and Bark, if anybody knows that shade. And I'm just gonna blend this into my outer V, up into the crease. Look at that, like it just blends out like a dream. So nice, so smooth. I also like this brush a lot for this. It's like super easy to blend this out. Love how easy these blend. So simple and so pretty. Dragging this up a little bit on the outer V here, making sure it's really nice and well blended. If anybody watches my tutorials, you know I am obsessed with blending. I will overblend and blend out an entire eyeshadow to nothing before I stop blending. I just can't help it. I much rather have a shadow that's over blended than under blended. Okie dokie. It's not the same as this side, but kind of. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with Golden Hour again, that pink shade, and just touch up a little here. Make sure it's nice and pinkish. Blending. I'm gonna cut my crease with some Ariel, some Camo Creamy Concealer. And this is a Morphe M124 brush. And I am going to cut my crease. And there you go, they're nice and cut. Shell, yeah, it's this beautiful white sparkle with pink iridescent. It is gonna look so pretty on top of this cut crease. I'm gonna go with a Colourpop E18 in the shade Shell, yeah. I'm gonna go in with it dry and just see how it does, and I might have to go in with it wet. So pretty. And go back in with Shell, just so that way I can really get that nice and shiny. Be sure to use tapping motions and not pulling motions, as pulling motions will break up the eyeshadow. I kind of broke it up a little bit on there right there. Smaller brush, this is a JH41. This wet as well. This copper shade called Hey Honey. And I'm going to apply that to the edge here. Just like that. See how I blended that into the edge and then over into the shimmer? I'll do the same thing to the other eye. It's just really important to get them to match the same area of where you drag them over. Like that. So pretty. I love it. Okay, with that Chai Time shade, the dark maroon, and just blend that into the copper shade. You know? so that way everything just flows together. And then on an Ariel A29, I'm gonna take the Chai Burgundy shade again, and I'm gonna blend that to my bottom lower outer lash line. And I'm going to take the Morphe M433 and I'm going to go in with the Golden Hour pink shade. I'm going to blend that into my inner crease area, inner lower lash line over into the burgundy. For a highlight, I'm going to take the Georgia Peach highlight. And I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. So it's more like a blush, but it's like a really pretty light pink shade, and I think it would look so pretty with these springtime. I'm gonna drag the shimmer in this crease just up a little bit more and make it not so harsh here, so that way they can match more. You know what I do? A wing. I'm gonna go with some Maybelline Mega Eyeliner. Hard to get this wing to match because this wing is so good, but let's see if I can do it. I'm gonna go with some LA Girl Super Bright Nude Eyeliner, my waterline. Mascara. And so that completes this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.